Hey there, this video is going to talk about our week 14 assignment. So we're in another discussion forum this week. So let's jump right in and I'll talk a little bit more about what we're doing. So one thing to note is that discussion forums in module 5 are worth 40 points. And the reason for this is because these are really in-depth forums. I really want to see, they're going to require more work on your end. So I really want to see you incorporating course materials, being very thoughtful about these discussion forums. So this week we are looking at the professional and ethical responsibilities in SAMHSA's TAP 21. So for this forum, you are to choose one of the 123 competencies listed in TAP 21 to complete this assignment. Within each of those competencies, so there's a competency listed, and then within each of those competencies, there are bulleted lists of knowledge, skills, and attitudes that you're going to want to include in your answer and your discussion. So you'll see that when you get into, when you open up the TAP 21 document, which is located in the course content. So it's in the course content in the Moodle book for this module. Or you can also search SAMHSA TAP 21 and download it there yourself, but it is posted in Moodle for you. So you'll see those, you'll see the competency, you'll see the knowledge, skills, and attitudes that make up that competency, and you're going to include all of that as you answer these questions. So in your primary post, you're going to state the competency number and the description. So that is just going to be straight from TAP 21, but be sure to cite it. So then you're going to discuss in number 2, why is this competency important to your future LAC practice? So again, this is an opinion, but I want you to support your opinion by incorporating the course contents, especially from this module. Number 3, how will you ensure that you are following the standards set forth in this competency? So what are some of the to-dos that you are going to engage in, to make sure that you can meet this competency as an LAC? And number 4, does this competency do enough to ensure professional and ethical practice? So if yes, how? If no, what would you personally need to know or do in order to feel more competent in this area? So this is a yes and or a no and question. So be sure to really elaborate there. And again, in all of these questions, you should be incorporating course content to support your opinions and your thoughts on this topic. So then response posts, you're going to respond to at least 2 of your classmates. So number 1, are there ways in which your assigned competency or the one you chose, right? Are there ways in which your competency from TAP 21 overlaps, and how so? If not, why do you think they're different? And number 2, is it important for LACs to have a set of standards to ensure professional and ethical practice in these areas? Explain. And number 3, how does a set of standards influence professional behaviors in the areas that you and your classmate looked at for your response post? So you're going to do 2 response posts. As always, your primary post is due by November 30th, Wednesday, and your response posts are due by Friday. More information on confidentiality and grading criteria if you need a refresher on that. But really take your time this week and provide robust primary posts and response posts. This, again, this is worth double points for that reason. I really want to, I know that it's taking more time than some of the other weeks, so really provide robust answers. So head on over to the homepage, post questions if you've got them. Thanks, everybody.